everyone, I'm Lena Jacome. Thank you for joining me today. Today's tutorial is a Jaleos section of choreography. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is transitioning from a footwork phrase, and the tutorial, you can check out the link below if you'd like to learn that. We're going to start on our left foot, and it's flat, heel, heel, flat, heel, heel, flat, heel, heel, flat. So we're starting on the 12, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I'm kicking sliding my right foot out on 6. So again, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. My arm is here during that part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from there on 6, so I'm floreada away from the body, and I'm looking over my right shoulder. Then I'm looking straight for 6. So on 6, my left arm is above my head, my right arm is below my head. And then I'm switching. I'm alternating that, so I'm bringing my right arm above and my left arm below as I bring my right foot across my left. So one other note that I want to mention is that I'm keeping my arms close to my body. I'm not extending them out. So I'm here, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm doing a quebrada around and getting here on 10, and then my left arm is going to come around to behind my left leg. 11, 12 is a golpe, and I'm looking over to my left side. So let's go ahead and take it from the top. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's go a little bit slower. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's go over the feet first, and then we'll add the upper body. So we're here on 12. Let's golpe on the right foot, and my left leg slides out, but I'm staying connected to the floor. It's not coming off the floor. That's 12, 2, and 4, 5, 6. So these are plantas right here. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. That's a golpe. So we're here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. And we're going to go right. We're going to go to the right, to the left, and to the right again. So we're doing 3 of the same sequences. We can break down a little bit more. Left, right, left. Let me see. Left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left. That's the mechanics of it. Kind of the rhythmic variation. Now let's go ahead and add the arms. So we just finished here on 12. The arms are going to floreada in and away, in and away. So we're here, in, away, in, away. So of course you have artistic integrity to choose what you'd like, but that's what I'm doing here. So 12 in floreada, 2, 3, and 4 out, 6, in, out, in. On 5, I'm here, and my arm is going to come all like rainbow around and land right in front of my chest. So with counts from here, we just went 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 8. This down starts on the counter rhythm, and the feet are heel, 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 ball, heel. Heel, 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 ball, heel, heel, flat. Heel, 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 ball, heel, heel, flat. Heel, 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 ball, heel, 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 flat. So I was missing one heel, so it's, the count is, it's after the 8 and 9 and 10, 11, 12. It's heel, 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 ball, heel, 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 flat. And they're 8th notes. So we're here. Let's see, let's just take it. We just did the quebrada, right? So we're here. We did 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10, 11, 12. And 9, and 10, and 11, and 12. So, as on 11, so we're here 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10, 11, 12. Our arm is going to come up and around, up, and then that right arm lands around where the navel is. The hand will land around there, that level, okay? So we're here, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10, and 11, and 12. So around 11 or 11 and, your arm comes up and around and lands here on 12. So let's take it from the first sequence on the left side. We went 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 12, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're here, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10, 11, 12. So now we're going to go over to the left side, that same rhythmic pattern, 2 and 4. On 5, you're going to do a little bit on the left foot. 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6. That's a triplet right there. So we just went 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, so right here, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're here. 12, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6. So on the 5, when you're doing the footwork, 5, 6. Now it's the left arm that comes out in front. 5, 6. Up and around. 5, 6. So we're going to keep going. 8 and 10, 11, 12. So let's take it from this little remate right here. Set 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. And that's where we're going to end. All right, so let's go ahead and take it from the top. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10, 11, 12. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10, 11, 12. 2, and 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10, 12. 2, and 4, 5. So just going over this right side very quickly. We went 5, 6, 8, and 10. You're going to do the same thing. It's a triplet with the right foot. Flat heel, heel, flat. 11, 12. 11, 12. 11, 12. So from this side, we just went 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, left, right, right, left. So we're here again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 11, 12. 1, 2, and 4, 5. And this is our end position. This is the end of the sequence, this section. With our left arm in front and our right hand on our hip, looking over to the left side. Thank you so much for joining me today. That was a lot of fun. I love the choreography and I'm happy to share it with you. Wishing you all a phenomenal day. Bye.